Are you tired of spending endless hours pushing a heavy mower across your yard? Meet the customized professional intelligent remote-controlled lawn mowing robot. The smarter, faster, and more efficient way to cut your grass. With a wide 550mm cutting path and a powerful 4-stroke cordless engine, this mower gets the job done in no time. It's self-propelled, EPA and CE certified, and designed for both homeowners and professionals who want effortless lawn care. At just a push of a button, you're in full control. Mowing has never been this easy. So why wait? Upgrade your lawn care today with this powerful lawn mowing robot. Click the link below and get yours now before they're gone.